Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. Today, we're going to put the headlights back in the Toyota Previa. So, we're going to see how well that goes. I don't know how well it's going to go, but taking them out wasn't fun. So putting them back should be twice as fun. I don't know. This might not go well. So, I'll move you back here a bit. Maybe I'll... Oh, that's too close. There. We'll move you back to over here. I'll grab a headlight. I'm just putting in the normal standard headlight that the brother-in-law and I created. What is the brother-in-law's name there? Looney Farm guy. And yeah, let's see if I can get these put back in here. I don't know if I remember how. There's a hook under here. And there's a spring here. I can't remember how that went. Well, I'm sure we'll figure it out. Look at all this crap in here. Looks like stuff maybe a mouse might have put. I might have to go in there and check to see if there's mices in there. That's another day. Yeah. Well, this could go well or this could go bad. Just give me a second here so I can figure this out. Well, I got that little hook in there, so I had to use some long needle nose pliers, but I got her in there, and it wasn't nearly as hard as I was thinking it was going to be at all. So all I got to do is bend up this corner here a bit. I can't get her under like that. Come on. There we go. And let's see here where I'm at on this whole situation. My front bumper is falling off, by the way, so that's good to know. Don't really know where I am in this whole situation here. I think this is supposed to get around there. I think. Like that. There we go. Well, things are happening. I hope I didn't fall out of that spot up here. Yes, I did. Get back into that spot. Okay, I'm gonna, before anything else goes wrong, put a screw in the top here. So, before I did this, I should have made sure I had the correct bolts for this, but luckily I have found some of the correct ones to install this again. And I don't know if I got the spring right. Oh, there. It's the spring right on here because we got a wibbly wobbly here. And I think it's because of that spring in there. Now, what am I going to do about it? I don't know. I'm going to have to do something about it. But am I going to worry about it too much just yet? No. There we go. I got that popped in. Well, we got one side technically in, don't we? I got to find some more bolts. Well, big screws. So let me do that. So there we are. Got the headlights in. It was a little more frustrating than I was planning on, but I did figure it out. In the end, I figured it out. So let me give them a turn on here, and we'll see how good they look. Well, I got them on. Let's take a look. Wow, that Jeep's dirty. And there we go. running LEDs in them so I can get all the light I can out of them. I'll put the side marker lights in. I think I got them. I don't know. But yes, I got these headlights in. And next I wanted to do something with this open space here. So I might weld in a bar there to take care of that space. Let me see what I got. So right now I'm actually just going to grind it. I have a piece of rebar. Got the holes in it like I want. Sit her across here. And I'm just going to weld her in right there. So I'm going to get down to bare metal there. I'm going to use my trusty grinder. Hope that was action camera for you. I don't know for the sparks, but let me get that set up and I'm going to weld her in. So I got her tacked up for now, and I'm going to put a better weld on her on each side. I think I'll crank her up a bit in the heat. See what I can do. Yes, I am wearing a welding mask. But I am not wearing gloves, and I should be, but I'm not. It's definitely in there. As long as I don't catch her on fire, I should be doing okay. More up top. Go. I gotta knock some things around here. So let me get some more metal contact and get her up welded a little better. So there we are for now. She's all welded in. She's pretty tight. Oh yeah. So got that in. Now let's see if the hood closes. Oh, there we go. Well, yes, of course the hood closes, but we got to figure a way how to get an attachment up here. Here, let me show you to that hook. Probably just going to be some sort of hook attachment to that one, and that'll keep the hood closed. So there we go. Project is coming along. Hopefully I'll have her done before winter when I want to use it. And well, hope you enjoyed this video. In my aspects, I don't think it was that great, but hey, that's me. I'll put it out anyways. All right, thanks for watching.